Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Let me say a part 3. Let me say, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We're talk about the gun. You see, guns now, more have to know who invent gun and why gun was invented. See it? Them are going to come tell me says a black man invent the gun. Well, I don't think so. And if a black man invent the gun, he never did that thing. Yeah. So I want to do research and come back and comment in the comment section and tell me who actually invented guns. See, that's your job. I would like to know, because guns don't serve no purpose. No, not one bit. See, guns just in our life to destroy it. Again, the humanity thing as human is to sit and watch another human in pain. And as human, not giving him food is not working long enough. Not giving him shelter is not working long enough. Not giving him clothing is not working long enough. So we want something that can work faster. So we man them invent guns. Bam! A man dead. Bam! Another man dead. Peer gun violence. A peer killing. You see me? The people them want to see the people them live. You see me? Me say anybody fi live. People fi live. And live to the fullest. You see me? People not fi live certain way. Yeah man. People fi live to the fullest. But them can't live to the fullest because you can't go anywhere. Eh? Can I go anywhere? Can I dress anyhow I want to dress? Can I? Maybe certain kind of people can. Separation again. But as a black man, I can't go anywhere. Sad. People are questioning you. Ask you, what you do yourself? I can't get lost. I have to know where I go. Sad. People are going to question me. And also the world for run. For no race of people. More of see people able to live. And the only way you can live is when you're free. We're not free. We're trapped in our circles, in our homes, in our area, in our zone, in our community. Because of your own kind. People dip on 2 foot again. And 2 and 10 fingers and 10 toes. Them same one there. You do just like them. And you can go anywhere you want to go. You see me? The world full of boundaries. And I don't understand it. Them create guns to guard the boundaries. No one can cross it. Get shot. Everybody afraid of getting shot. And gun, when they mention gun, you mention death. And people fear death. You can't tell a man say you don't fear death, you know. Because if you tell a man say you don't fear death, a man they will want to come put it to your test. But for people who don't fear death, I understand what they mean. You know what I mean? Because death is coming. And this is a part of life. It's not even death, it's a part of life. But we're not going to talk about that right now. We'll talk about that next time. What we want to talk about are guns. We want to know who invent gun. You see me? Who is responsible for all the lives that is taken by a gun in this world. You see me? Somebody responsible for it. Yeah man. Just like what them say, somebody responsible for slavery, somebody responsible for that, somebody responsible for that, well, me I blame somebody who create gun. Eh? Me I blame that man there. Yes, people use gun for go hunt, but to hunt what? You know what I mean? We are hunt man, You hunt animal. You turn around and shot a man with the gun because you hunt animal. What go on? Or what's going on? What's going on? Yeah man, that me I go and ask the people them. Because the gun thing not real. Not right. Don't make no sense. It's an illusion. A man control the guns. A man there behind it. A man a press button. See it? And the same way how man can press button, man can don't press the button. It's too easy for a man to point that thing for the next man and press the button. Knowing that it's a 99 chance that a life will be taken. And that's what he does. Put it on a man and press the button. That's man. So, yes, me know so the man who press the button is not the man where create the thing. You see me? Because the man who create the thing in a one big mansion, one big, and live life, and him probably don't have a gun. Yeah, take it from me. Him probably don't have a gun. Him probably never hurt a man in his life. You see me? But these people take it up in themselves to go hurt each other with this thing that called gun. Well, the thing too, you know, mankind is so wicked that them create the gun and then them say, boy, the gun not even kill enough. So the gun not kill enough. So them decide, say, boy, them are going to make bomb. Yeah, man. So we talk about that in our next section. Saying, much love and respect. Anna. Let me say, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. CVP, Careface Video Productions. Yeah.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.